Have you ever wondered who's at the helm of Raiz Malaysia, the investment platform that's making waves in the financial world? Let's dive in and uncover the mastermind behind this innovative company. Raiz Malaysia is more than just an investment app. It's a financial tool designed to help Malaysians effortlessly grow their wealth. But who's the visionary behind this groundbreaking platform? The CEO of Raiz Malaysia is none other than unethical. A seasoned financial expert with a passion for empowering individuals, unethical has been instrumental in shaping Raiz Malaysia into the success it is today. Unethical brings a wealth of experience to the table. With a strong background in relevant field, e.g., finance, technology, or business, they have a deep understanding of the financial landscape and the challenges faced by Malaysians. Before taking the reins at Raiz Malaysia, unethical held significant positions at previous companies or organizations. Their expertise in specific areas, e.g., investment strategies, financial planning, or digital innovation, has been invaluable in driving Raiz Malaysia's growth and success. CEO's vision for Raiz Malaysia. Unethical's vision for Raiz Malaysia is to make investing accessible to everyone. They believe that everyone, regardless of their income or financial knowledge, should have the opportunity to build a better future. Under unethical's leadership, Raiz Malaysia has introduced innovative features and streamlined the investment process, making it easier than ever for Malaysians to start investing. CEO's impact on Raiz Malaysia. Unethical's impact on Raiz Malaysia is undeniable. Their strategic thinking, strong leadership, and dedication to customer satisfaction have contributed to the company's rapid growth and positive reputation. By fostering a culture of innovation and empowering the Raiz Malaysia team, unethical has created a company that is not only financially successful but also socially responsible. So, the next time you open your Raiz Malaysia app, remember the visionary behind it all, unethical. Their passion, expertise, and dedication to empowering Malaysians are driving the future of investing in Malaysia. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.